If you've ever struggled with messy lawn edges or tools that just don't hold up, I get it. I've tested quite a few over the years. In this video, I'm going over 5 lawn edges that actually work. Each one has its strengths, depending on the size of your yard and how much control or power you need. This isn't about hype. Just honest picks that I'd recommend to anyone who wants clean, consistent results without the guesswork. At number 5, the Worx 12 amp corded electric lawn edger and trencher. This is the one I reach for when someone says, I just want a simple, solid edger that gets the job done. The 12 amp motor gives it just enough power to cut into compacted grass edges cleanly without stalling out or bouncing. It uses a 7.5-inch blade that spins at 4,700 RPM, and when I used it on sidewalk edges that hadn't been cleaned up in months, it sliced right through and left a very tidy finish. You can adjust the cutting depth between 1.25 and 1.5 inches. That's more than enough for everyday edging. The top guide helps you stay straight, which makes a difference when you're working along a long path or curved flower bed. You'll actually see the edge tracking straight without having to overcorrect. Comfort-wise, the shaft adjusts to different user heights, and the D handle is comfortable to grip even over longer jobs. It weighs around 14 pounds, which is light enough to control easily without feeling flimsy. Being corded, you will need an extension cord. Keep that in mind. But in return, you get unlimited runtime and consistent power. This is a great choice for homeowners with small to mid-sized lawns who don't need cordless freedom, but want something that's straightforward, consistent, and capable of doing the job cleanly every time. At number 4, I'd place the Black+Decker 2-in-1 edger and trencher. This one is also corded and also runs a 12 amp motor, but it feels a little more nimble in hand and offers slightly better versatility thanks to its pull-up edge guide. That single feature lets you switch from edging to trenching in seconds. I used it to create a trench for outdoor lighting wire around my back garden, and while it won't replace a full trencher, it works surprisingly well for small cable runs and shallow irrigation. The 3-position depth control is intuitive. You don't need tools to adjust it, and it's responsive. I appreciated the built-in cord retention because with some corded tools, the plug constantly comes loose when you turn corners, but not with this one. And another thoughtful touch, the side access door near the blade lets you clean it out without needing to dismantle anything. In terms of feel, it's slightly lighter than the Worx and a bit better balanced. The assist handle is easy to grip from either side, which helps if you're switching hands or trying to work a tight edge along a fence or bed. Overall, it's ideal for someone who wants a corded edger that's a little more flexible, a little more comfortable, and has the added bonus of trenching when needed. For the price, it punches above its weight. At number 3, we step into cordless territory with the EGO Power Plus Multi-Combo Kit. This is part of EGO's multi-head tool system, and it shows. It doesn't just feel like a lawn edger, it feels like a premium yard system that happens to include an edger attachment. The brushless motor is quiet, powerful, and incredibly efficient. I used the included 2.5 amp-hour battery to edge my front and side yard, roughly 70 linear feet, and still had plenty of battery left. The 8-inch blade offers deep, sharp edging, and the wheel guide helps you stay consistent along curbs and sidewalks. I also appreciated the depth control knob, which allowed me to adjust the blade height based on whether I was cleaning up a maintained edge or trying to dig through a thicker overgrowth. What sets this model apart is the build quality. The aluminum shaft and balance design make it comfortable for long jobs, and I never felt like it was tipping forward or pulling at my shoulder. It feels like a commercial-grade tool, even though it's totally battery-powered. And because it's part of the Ego Power Plus line, this same power head works with other attachments like hedge trimmers, string trimmers, and pole saws. That makes this kit a smart buy for anyone who wants to build a battery-powered tool system over time. If you're looking for cordless freedom with pro-level performance, and you're okay investing a bit more upfront for long-term convenience and quality, this is easily one of the best options out there. At number 2, we've got the Greenworks 80-volt brushless edger, a cordless model that truly challenges gas. This is the one that really surprised me. It uses an 8-inch steel blade and offers an impressive 2.25-inch max cutting depth, which is deeper than most edgers on the market. I tested it along a section of overgrown turf near a brick wall, and it cut through cleanly without bouncing or pulling up turf. What really makes this one stand out is the curb wheel and stability system. There's a guided wheel system that applies extra weight downwards, about 17 pounds of pressure, so the blade stays planted and stable, even on curbs and angled transitions. That means your edge stays consistent even at full depth. The brushless motor puts out torque equivalent to a 27 cubic centimeter gas engine, but it's much quieter and easier to manage. It doesn't vibrate like gas tools do, and it starts instantly with the push of a button. If you already have Greenworks 80-volt batteries, it's even better. You don't need to buy new ones. I used a 2-amp-hour battery and got through an entire front yard edging job with charge to spare. The weight is well balanced too with the battery. It still comes in lighter than most gas models, and thanks to the tri-grip handle system, you're not fighting it or feeling it drag after 20 minutes of use. This is the tool I'd recommend to anyone who wants the cutting depth and consistency of gas, but without the gas, it's quiet, clean, and extremely capable. For medium to large properties, especially if you edge often or deal with tougher edges, this is one of the most efficient battery-powered edges available. And finally, at number 1, we have the Echo Pass gas trimmer and edger combo kit. This one sits at the top for a reason: pure versatility, reliability, and raw performance. The 21.2 cubic centimeter 2-stroke engine has plenty of power for both attachments in the kit, a 17-inch string trimmer, and a straight shaft edger. During testing, I used this combo on a larger rural property where battery tools just couldn't last long enough. With the Echo, I could trim thick areas and then switch right over to edging. No charging, no downtime. The edger attachment is strong and well built. It cut deeply along long driveways and through compacted edges that hadn't been touched in over a year. The weight distribution is excellent. Even though the tool weighs about 16 pounds, it doesn't feel heavy in use. The shaft is long, and the grips are positioned in a way that keeps it balanced across both arms. This system is built for people who want tools that last. Yes, there's more maintenance involved, fuel mix, spark plugs, air filters, but in return, you get a level of power and runtime that simply isn't matched by electric or battery tools. And because it's part of Echo's Pass system, you can expand with other attachments without buying separate power units. This is the pick I'd recommend for homeowners with large lots, people who already use gas-powered equipment, or anyone who wants a serious all-season tool that won't let them down. It's the most powerful and most flexible edger in this list, hands down. So which one's right for you? If you just want clean edges on a small yard and don't mind plugging in, the Worx or Black+Decker are affordable, dependable, and easy to use. If you want cordless flexibility, Ego's multi-head kit is rock solid. If you want gas-level performance without the gas, Greenworks 80-volt is a great choice. And if you're the kind of person who wants one tool to do it all year-round with serious commercial-grade output, then the Echo Pi S 225 VP is the one to beat. Whatever your yard size or preference, each of these tools has been tested in real conditions, and they're not just good on paper, they work. And if you're tired of ragged lawn edges or digging trenches by hand, one of these 5 is going to make your life a lot easier.